Okay, let's pack. I'm off on a 2-day trip with Ulla Henriksen and I am so excited. This is ticking a lot of boxes for me. The weather, number one, is due to be basically incredible whilst we're there, like sunny every day, 20 degrees. My body has not seen 20-degree heat for like basically 8 months. It's ready. Ulla Henriksen, love them as a brand. I actually first met Ulla himself probably about 10 years ago. I've been desperately like looking through my phone trying to find the photo. He's kissing me on the cheek, if anyone remembers that Instagram post from 10 years ago. So I'm excited to see him again. A great group of people going. Copenhagen, like, oh my gosh, I love Copenhagen. I haven't been for years. Like, love a little European city break. The itinerary is a dream, quite honestly. Lovely dinners, a little spa excursion, an optional cold plunge. I've never done that before. As far as press trips go, this is basically my dream version, and it's kind of my dream version to pack for because they actually sent me this lovely antler suitcase, which is gigantic and not what I would have packed for a 2-night trip. But I feel like it's kind of given me permission to just pack whatever I want. This is not going to be like a teeny tiny packing in a bag video. This isn't like a capsule holiday wardrobe video. I would love to do one of those, and maybe I'll do that for my next one, but this is very much like I don't know, you're going on a really lovely city break with your girlfriends and you just want to dress up and feel fab. I feel like this is my excuse to wear all those like cool Scandi girl like outfits that I'm so desperate to wear, but like, I don't know, going to the Bluebell Railway with the boys at the weekend like isn't necessarily the perfect opportunity to wear them. This is my opportunity to wear like the nice dressy dinner outfits and like a t-shirt and a trench coat. Like, I don't know, this is my moment. It feels like spring is arriving this week for me and I can't wait to pack. I've already like semi-started with boring stuff, and I did go back to my holiday packing list. I'll link it down below for you. I feel like I might just need to do a repost on Instagram because it's getting to the point where I'm really having to like scroll down to find it. And my jaw hit the floor when the first thing on the list was a passport that I hadn't got out yet and I hadn't thought about. So that is why we always use a list when we pack. Don't do as I do and try and like riff and go off track, because you will forget very important things like a passport. So I'm kind of going to do, I think, one side of sensible things on the suitcase, you know, like the practical things that I need. And then the other side, I'm going to put together some really fun outfits. I've written a list, I've gone through the itinerary and written a list of all the different outfits that we need. I need a travel outfit for the journey there. I need a nice dinner outfit for dinner that night. Then on the Thursday, we're going to a spa, so I need kind of like breakfast and spa, and then we're also going for a nice lunch after that, so I might do breakfast, spa, and then a separate outfit for lunch. And then that evening is the like big event, so it's like dress to impress. I was like, oh, okay, dress to impress, that would be interesting. But also I feel like previous me would have felt the need to go and buy something brand new for that, but I can definitely pull something from my wardrobe. And then Friday's probably just wearing an outfit for the whole day. It's kind of like breakfast and then a little canal boat tour and then an optional cold plunge, and then some lunch and then a journey home. So I feel like that's just like a casual outfit that could work for all of those. I've checked the weather, like I said, like look at this. Weather is glorious. And I think that's everything. Right, let's start packing the practical stuff and then we will get to some fun outfits. But like I said, this is definitely more giving you some ideas just for fun spring outfits rather than packing in a compact way. This is not going to be that, but I'm excited to go all out. Brand new suitcase, literally out the box, hence why it is bare on the bed, don't worry about it. They actually sent me a really gorgeous, super plush dressing gown with my initials on it, which is lovely of them. I guess that's for like the spa and the cold plunge and stuff, so I'm going to pack that and just tuck that in there. I've got my packing cubes. Oh, travel adapters. Yeah, very pleased I checked my list and I remembered these. Actually, there might be a cube that's good to put these in. Maybe I should make a practical things cube. So like travel adapters. I'm going to try and be a healthy girl whilst I'm away and like still have all my vitamins and stuff. So I've got like my vitamin D spray. I decanted all my supplements into this. Okay, I reckon I'll be able to fit some chargers and stuff in there as well when I get round to packing those. I've got a list on my phone going of things that I can't pack right now. It's technically Monday when I'm shooting this and I'm not going till Wednesday morning, so there's a few things I'm not going to want to put in there right now, but I reckon I'll be able to fit my chargers in there, so that would be good. I feel like if I'm going to go for it with the packing, I at least want it to be really organised so that when I get there, but also when I get home, it's going to be nice and easy to do. So maybe this can be a hair tool packing cube. Yeah, okay, that's good. That fits in there. I'll quickly show you what I've got in my toiletry bag. I've got a Net-a-Porter version of this, and I've also got a Space NK one, but the Net-a-Porter is like tiny bit bigger, so I'm using that. I've got this little mini Oola pouch with stuff like tampons, a razor, like scissors, eye drops. I always forget eye drops, and then I think the time difference means we're waking up earlier there, so I was like, oh, eye drops could be good. Tweezers, my little, like, what are they called, TP tooth thingies. Yeah, I've just kind of put those all in there so they don't go missing. And then I've got like toothbrush, hairbrush, deodorant, body oil, SPF. Ula sent us some like minis, so I've got like a mini moisturiser for like day and night. An Essie, is that how you say it? Support oil. I've got some toothpaste in there, some cleanser in there. The replica Maison Margiela by the fireplace. This was just because it was a mini. All of my other ones are massive, so I was like, that's a nice, sexy kind of smell. Tanlux the Mist, I'm taking the full size. That is how passionately I feel about this product. Some shampoo. The Avène Cicatricate is so good for when my perioral dermatitis flares up, so definitely taking that. The Way Air Dry Foam, and then 2 flannels, so I don't ruin hotel flannels. So that's all in there. Considering I'm on a trip where I want to feel fancy and like glam, I feel like that is, I've got what I need. Let's put it that way. And then my makeup bag, I'm just bringing my Space NK makeup bag. I've also just washed my brushes, so my brushes are just washing. This is the benefit of only using 3 brushes. I only ever have 3 brushes to wash. It is great. So they are just drying. And then in here is just the usual, nothing will shock you. So the only things that I've added a lip liner, the Makeup Forever Artist Colour Pencil in 602, completely sepia. Just, I don't know, sometimes in like photos and stuff, it's nice to have a little bit of extra lip product. And I did pack the Merit Matte Lip in Classic as well. Again, just because I literally just wear like a lip balm all day, every day. But I was like, I don't know, I might be around people who are looking very glam and looking very fab, and it might make me want to wear a lipstick instead of a balm always. And then the only other thing that's kind of an additional thing that I don't normally take is powder. I always forget a powder for events, and I look really shiny, like a big shiny egg. So I bought the Kosas one, and then also a brush for that, just so I can actually powder down my face. Because whenever there's flash being used, I'm always like, oh damn, should have bought powder, should have packed powder. So that is in there, and then when these are dry, I will add these. I haven't worked out my travel outfit yet, but once I work that out, I feel like I can think about bags, and then I'll be able to pack all these little extra bits here into my bags. They're all hand luggage things. Where did I want to start? I think like the dressy outfit, that's kind of where I want to begin, because I feel like that is potentially the hardest dress code. But I think I'm just going to wear something that I know that I feel really comfortable in. So I'll try it on and let's see what we think. Okay, here's what I'm thinking. This is a Sir waistcoat, and then these are flared like mango trousers that I've had for a couple of years now, but whenever I wear them, people are like, where are they from? Mango, but very old, but they are extremely flared. And then the vintage Loewe leopard print bag. I just really feel comfortable in this outfit despite the fact that everything is out. I've obviously got nothing to show there. I'm going to get some tit tape, but also I'm going to take with me my hanky-panky black lace bra, because sometimes I just feel more comfortable wearing that like underneath, so it's not as low, but it just shows a bit of like lacy bra, which I really like. But yeah, this outfit I just love. And then I'm thinking it is going to be cooler in the evening, so I feel like I need something to throw over the shoulders. So maybe it's like a cream blazer like this, just over the shoulders, or just actually thrown on. I feel like this could be a handy thing to have in my suitcase, just for like the evenings, or if I change my mind on a jacket, I've got another spare. So yeah, I think, okay, hardest dress code, done. Oh, I've got on the AD like mules. I really wanted to take these because I thought, I don't know, there might be like a daytime occasion where I'm like, oh, I'm gonna throw a mule on. Mule? The more you say it, the more weird it sounds. Mule. I'm gonna throw this low heel shoe on with some jeans and like a jumper. I don't know. I just get to finally wear all of the outfits that are on my Pinterest board. Can you tell I'm excited? Okay, this outfit took some finessing. You're gonna be like, Anna, it's all black. It's the same as the night before. I tried some other options. they just didn't feel right. I've had on my mood board like this outfit basically for a year. Like it's been on my mood board for ages and I've never really had the chance to wear it. So I was like, you know what? I've got the chance to wear it. I'm going to wear it. It is a different pair of black trousers. So I will be taking 2 pairs of black trousers with me. Like I said, this is not some kind of capsule wardrobe situation. But these are the Philippa K ones and these just aren't as tight on the bottom. They just have a slightly more relaxed fit and I wanted something that felt a bit more relaxed on the bottom instead of like fitted and flared like the other ones. That works really well because it like mirrors the shape of the waistcoat, but for these ones I just wanted relaxed, chill vibes. Same shoes, same bag. This is an Arket wool tank top and then I just got on my Anderson's belt. This is for night number 1, which, yeah, I think it says smart casual. And I was like, this feels like smart casual to me. I don't want to be super overdressed. I don't want to be rocking up in like jeans necessarily. And then I thought I could wear my suede jacket over the top. Let me show you how that looks. I think this just adds that relaxed feel, but it's kind of exactly the type of outfit that I was going for. This is what I was envisioning. This is very much like Moosegard Sisters vibes. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that's what we're going for here. Just really like chill. Oh, we're going out for dinner. Oh, I just came from work. This is how I rolled out of bed this morning. But it's taken me like 3 different outfits to get to this one. So yeah, I think this one is going to be packed. So that's my 2 dressy outfits done. Now I need to think of 2 travel outfits. I think I'm going to do those next. So I'm working backwards here and I'm doing my travel outfit home. Mainly I just had a vision for this. This is where I'm starting with the travel outfits. A Goldie jeans, St. Agni t-shirt, flip-flops, but I feel like there are so many modifications that I can make to this outfit if I need to. So it needs to work for breakfast, that's like fine. A canal boat tour, so possibly like layering up, possibly a little bit windy. Also, what was the other thing? Oh, then lunch, and then like the journey home. So it needs to be comfortable, but it needs to be, I want it to look chic, comfortable, practical, all of the above. So this is like base outfit. I'm thinking maybe it's a little bit warmer than we thought, so I could always forgo a coat and just throw on this. Oh, and this is what I'm thinking for bag, the Cézanne, I don't know what it's called, Cézanne straw bag. But yeah, they still do this. I got it last year. I love that it's got like very thin leather straps, but it's super roomy. Feels like this would be a good bag to like carry around for the day, can fit everything in, all my travel bits and bobs, everything that I need. And then just throw on this Uniqlo brown like cashmere jumper. Then I can always wear it over the top. I can throw it over my shoulders. I've got options. I like to have options on the plane as well. I'd rather wear a jumper on the plane than a coat. But say it's a little bit colder than we thought, I've got trench coat, bag, jumper over the shoulders still. Or I thought, I don't know, maybe I'm feeling a bit fancy. I've obviously got the heels with me. I mean, this is just like a look I would wear in my dreams, but like that also looks super cute too. I don't know, it feels like a good base with lots of options. So travel outfit home, sorted. I've run out of steam for the travel outfit on the way there, but you know what? I've just basically done the same, but in reverse. Flip-flops again, trying to live my flip-flop, like full, more wintry outfit dream. Like that to me is the ultimate spring outfit right there. Same bag because I'm going to have a load of stuff to take with me. And then I figured, I was like, I've got my suede jacket to pick from, my blazer to pick from, but I was like, a trench just feels practical for a flight. You never know what's going to happen. Maybe suede on a plane, like possibly not the best idea. And then underneath I've just got the Arket like merino wool jumper and then a belt and then my Goldie indigo wash jeans. So yeah, just very comfortable, very practical, basically just the reverse on the way there, but like using things I already have. So even though I've got a lot of space in my suitcase to fill, I kind of want a bit of space because you never know. I have been asking for like vintage secondhand recommendations and plenty are coming through. So a little bit of space in the suitcase might be a good idea. So day 2, this is like breakfast going to the spa. Here's what I'm thinking. Cézanne super wide leg jeans, like just very comfortable, very relaxed. Suede jacket is already in the bag. The St. Agni bag, a new addition. And then this cashmere t-shirt from Reformation. And again, flip-flops. You know what? I kind of experimented with other shoes here. I feel like I might, I don't know, do I throw another pair of shoes in the bag because all I've got is flip-flops and some like little high heels? Like maybe do I try, I might just throw in the suede loafers from Arket just so I have a loafer option. I don't know, just nice to have like fancy shoe, flip-flop, and then just, I don't know, a more sensible shoe. I'm gonna throw those over there, but I think this is probably what I would wear. And then I feel like this is a good base outfit, and I will turn it around into something else without like changing too much for more of like a lunchtimey outfit. I think we're going to, I can't remember what the restaurant is called, but it's like a nice Italian restaurant for lunch. So yeah, this is breakfast. I'm bleary-eyed. I've had to use my like eye drops, you know what I mean? That's what I'm wearing. Okay, final outfit for like from the spa to lunch and kind of just afternoon shenanigans. To be fair, if I'm just walking around Copenhagen, I can imagine I'd be doing that in my flip-flops or my loafers. So we go out for a nice lunch. I think it was like smart casual. I don't know. So I'm thinking I can just change into my darker wash jeans. I can always add on the heel if I want to. If not, I can do the loafers. I can do my flip-flops. I've still got the bag. I mean, by this time, it should be like 18, 19 degrees. It's been a long time, like I said, since I've been in those temperatures, but I feel like a cashmere t-shirt could work. I'll obviously have my jacket with me anyway if I need to throw that on. But yeah, I've just added the like a big necklace as well, just for something different. So yeah, just kind of dressing it up slightly, or I just wear what I was wearing. Like, we've got options. I haven't actually added anything to the bag with this outfit. So now I've just got to pack it all. So I was watching a Tibby video and Amy packs her clothing flat. Like, I'll show you. Basically just like lays it flat in the suitcase, and she reckons she can get a shed load of stuff in that way. So that's what I'm going to attempt today. Let's see how that works. I might have to speed this up for you. I've just made a massive mess on the bed. But right, okay, let's see how this goes. Say that's a great success. I would do that again. I feel like I'm looking after the clothes better. They're not getting as squished. They're not going to be as creased at the other end. It's visually very pleasing. And like, I've got all of those clothes in there and I could easily fit in more. I didn't throw in my trench coat because as I was walking away earlier, Mark was like, oh, you've got something on the back of that trench coat. So I'm just going to try and baby wipe that out. But I need to remember to wear these to the airport. But I think aside from that, everything else that I need is in there, aside from bits and bobs like chargers and stuff that I can't pack, laptop for, you know, my hand luggage bag and stuff. But I feel really prepared. Oh my gosh, I'm not sure I've ever packed for a trip like 2 days before, ever. But it makes me feel very prepared. I highly recommend that you do the same, and I highly recommend you try this flat packing method. I don't know, can you see? Like, there's space. There's lots more space on top of there. I'd say that's maybe like 2/3 full. Oh, and I haven't even used like the squishy down compression thing. Amazing. So everything is sorted. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. It has actually felt very therapeutic. I'm not sure I've ever packed this well for a trip ever, like ever, but it's just, I'm so excited to wear all these outfits that I've just been dying to wear for so long. And yeah, I'm like, this is my moment. This is my moment, like spring in Copenhagen with a lovely group of people. So yes, I hope you enjoy all of the upcoming Copenhagen content. Definitely follow me on Instagram. I took loads of pictures whilst I was filming this as well, so I might do a little Substack or even like a little Instagram carousel if you fancy seeing all the outfits and saving them. So yeah, thanks for watching. Safe travels if you're going anywhere anytime soon. I think we're going to try and get in a trip abroad with Ralph soon, but also a little trip just me and Mark as well. So looking forward to that. Been bitten by the travel bug again, and now I know how to pack for it well. Oh, I will link the packing list down below as well, because that is highly integral to this whole thing. And I'll see you soon. I'll see you on Sunday with a brand new video. Bye.